Welcome, Maotrons. So in today's video, I'm actually going to be doing a speed paint, an alcohol marker speed paint, or drawing, I guess you could say, and it's going to be of Pokestop in Pokemon Shield. It's going to be the one like in reference to the fairy area. So I sketched this out before I knew I was actually going to be doing this, and then I realized I didn't have any way to do body painting, which I'll get to in a minute, and so I decided that I would actually show this as a speed paint, and that could be my video. So I've been playing a lot, and I'm showing you the reference of where I got the idea to draw this, so it's not going to be a perfect recreation, it's just going to be in reference to. So other than that, let's get drawing. So I will tell you that for the outlining I used OHUHU, I guess you could say, markers. I'm not really sure if that's how you pronounce it, but that's how I pronounce it. They're just little fine liners that I use, and I used them in different colors, so I didn't have just a black line for everything. So I used like the pinks where pinks are going to be, blues where blues are going to be, so on and so forth. And then to color it, I actually used mainly Copic markers, and then I used some Aritstloft and other random markers here and there if I didn't quite have the right colors of Copics, because I do have a set of Copics that I got for Christmas, and I just don't have all the colors, sadly, so you know, I did what I could do. So anyways, I thought I would get into why I'm not able to do body painting. So where I would be doing my body painting right now is in like a room, and somebody is using the room right now because of a mold problem we had in our house that we now have to get fixed. So once that's fixed and done, then I will be back to doing some body painting. Of course, I'll still probably do speed paints here and there like I do in craft videos, but for now I'm going to be just coming up with some creative ideas on how to still post videos while all this is going on. So if you have any ideas of what you'd like to see, go ahead and let me know. But other than that, that's just kind of where I'm at. I can't wait to get back into body painting though. I have some great ideas. I want to do some new Star Wars ones and some maybe Harry Potter themed ones. So if there's anything you want to see, either art related, craft related, or body paint related, please let me know. I like to keep all of them. Any suggestions you've ever given me, I have written down. I may not do them only because maybe they just didn't work out or something like that, but just know that I will always attempt to get them done. So yeah, other than that, I don't have much more to say. I guess I'll just let this play out. So other than that, thank you very much for sticking with me through all these times. I am going to try this year. One of my resolutions is to post more and, you know, get back to the way I used to be. I've been going through a lot the past few years, and I know that I haven't been very consistent, but my goal is to get back to the way that I used to be, because I do love making videos, even if only one person's watching them. That's enough for me, really. I do them because I love them, and I just want to get back into it regardless of which fashion, whether I am doing a speed drawing, speed paint, you know, body paint, a cosplay video, whatever it may be. I have enjoyed them throughout the years of me doing them, and I want to keep doing them. I also, as I mentioned before, do have a vlog channel that I don't post on all the time because that's more of a, like, I guess you could call it a virtual scrapbook for myself. But if you would like to check that out, I'll link it down below, along with my other Instagram pages. I've talked about that before too. And I hope in the future that I will also have a Twitch account that I can do, you know, live streams of paints or body paints, or even just playing games, because I do play a lot of video games. So hopefully in the future I can also get that. I'm just trying to get back on track with my life. It's been pretty hard the past few years, but you know, we all go through those times in our lives, and hopefully I can get back onto it. So thank you very much for all of you who have stuck through all of it with me. And with that being said, I don't have much more to say about this drawing, so I'll just leave it at that. So be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you want, give me any other ideas on art related topics, projects, anything, and I will try and get them done. Hit that bell if you'd like to be notified of any other videos that I have made or am going to be making or posting. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!